Want some more? Do you want to dip your own spoon in? Oops. Good girl. You want to dip your own spoon in? Good girl. Yum yum. You dip your own spoon? You missed. You want to suck it out? No? You put your spoon in? Or you just want to suck out of the container? Put your spoon